Welcome to my channel. I'm Adrian Gonzalez, also known as AG Squared. I have a 10-year career in the technology sector and have been a real estate investor and my own property manager for over 6 years. And I'm also passionate about personal finance. Most recently, I discovered a new passion, sharing my successes, failures, and learnings in these areas of life. My goal for this channel is to apply this newly found passion and strive to improve any aspect of other people's lives. Given the broad nature of these topics, I wanted to make it incredibly easy to discover content based on more specific, accessible topics. My attempt at this is through YouTube's playlists. Let's look at a few of these. My Moving into a New Home series is perfect for people looking to become first-time homeowners or current homeowners. So far, I have bought and moved into 5 homes in a span of 6 years. You heard that right, folks, 5 homes. Through this experience, I've learned a lot about what can go wrong and what one can do to make their move-in experience the best possible. Next, my DIY do-it-yourself renovations and maintenance playlist is my most popular and largest playlist. This is an ocean of knowledge for those curious to learn how to be handy and for any homeowner or hands-on property manager like me. After owning and managing a total of 8 homes, most of which I intentionally bought as TLC homes, I can say that I have had a ton of opportunities to learn, make mistakes, and practice being handy. And I'm proud to say that there isn't much I haven't done. I've done flooring, electrical work, plumbing work, drywall repair and painting work, HVAC troubleshooting work, and more. A complimentary list to this is my home and constructions tool reviews, where I review the tools I use in my projects or that I install in my home. For those interested in real estate, I have a few playlists. My home searching and evaluation playlist is perfect for those looking to buy a home. Trust me, there are a lot of things worth looking out for when touring homes. This may position you better for negotiation or save you time and money by identifying issues before hiring an inspector. After buying 9 homes, I can confidently say I'm a pretty good DIY inspector. In my landlords and renters playlist, I share my experience on what leads to the best mutual experience for both renters and landlords, from searching for a place to the application process to moving in and finally to moving out. And I can't forget my finance playlist. There's something here for everyone. Whether it's about how to take control of your finances by building a budget and tracking expense discipline, to how to file your own taxes, or what pillars will empower you to build wealth. I hope you find this channel useful, so consider subscribing to not miss out on any of the action. Also, please don't hesitate to comment on any video you watch to let me know what you enjoyed and, just as importantly, what you didn't enjoy. You can also influence what other content I publish by commenting on what you'd like me to talk about or show how to do.